that ham in your cookies? Is literally what my mom asked. No mom, it's actually called ruby chocolate and was recently discovered in 2017 by the Swiss cocoa manufacturing company Berry Callebaut. Ruby chocolate tastes like a less sweet white chocolate with a slight sour berry taste, and it kind of smells like Pocky. So this cookie's recipe was adapted from the blog The Girl Who Ate Everything, then I'll link that below. So let's start. First, we'll take a half cup of butter and melt it on medium heat. Once it starts bubbling, lower the heat until it foams and you can see these brown particles underneath the foam. Immediately put it in another bowl and cool for 30 minutes. So it'll look like dirty water, but it's not. And I don't know if I should have said that. I might have just disgusted a few people, but it does look like dirty water. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a separate bowl, add your 1 1/4 cup of flour and half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and mix together. In another bowl, add in your egg, 1/4 cup of white sugar, half cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix until it's not lumpy and looks uniform. Now remember that dirty water? Brown to butter liquid? Yeah. So you'll mix it in. Once that's done, put in your dry ingredients and again mix. By the way, you can use a wooden spoon or something here to mix. You do not need to use a whisker. Finally, you can add in your half cup of chopped ruby chocolates and mix. Roll them into 2-inch balls and place them in a tray with parchment paper. Repeat until your batter is done. If you want, you can add a sprinkle of salt on top. Now into the oven they go for 12 minutes. So during this time, I would probably wash some dishes, but it's up to you. You can stare at your cookies, I guess. Alright, so it's done and now we've got to check it out. Yeah, I'll admit it's not the prettiest looking cookie, but hopefully it will taste good. You might be wondering, how does it taste? You've got the berry taste of the ruby chocolate with a nutty brown butter that we use, enveloped into this soft yet crispy cookie. So yeah, it's pretty good. Overall, I'm like a 70% cocoa dark chocolate type of person. So I like my dark chocolate with brown butter cookies. But this was something different to try and my family members love them. So maybe you might too. Also note, the next day these cookies can get a bit hard, so just pop them back into the oven to soften. Well, that's it! If you enjoyed the video, hope you'll consider leaving a like or even subscribe. Until next time, bye for now!